Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to add motion tracking in After Effects in 2026. So whether you want to track text, logos, effects, faces, or moving objects, yeah, After Effects gives you powerful tracking tools for creating professional-looking animations and visual effects. First, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition using your preferred resolution and frame rate. Next, import the video clip you want to track into the project panel and drag it onto the timeline. Now open the tracker panel from the window menu. This panel contains the motion tracking tools. With the video layer selected, click Track Motion to begin tracking movement inside the clip. Move
আপনার
the tracking
গুরুত্বপূর্ণ
point onto
কাগজপত্র
a high contrast object or detail that stays visible during movement. If the tracking slips or shakes, adjust the tracking point manually and reanalyze the clip. To make the tracked elements blend naturally, add motion blur, shadows, glow effects, or color adjustments. Once the tracking looks smooth, preview the full composition carefully and export the final video. And that's basically how to add motion tracking in After Effects in 2026. With tracking tools, null objects, and cinematic effects, you can create professional-looking tracked animations directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.